We're here with today's captain, you know, and man of the match, Ronaldo Barrett. First of all, congrats. How you feeling after today's win?
Well, it's a great feeling to know that we came out here on JC's home pitch and got the 3 points over them. We're grateful for it.
What were you thinking coming into today's game, knowing that you had to face the mighty JC on their field? What were you thinking coming into today's game?
The main focus was to stay disciplined and come and got the 3 points, which we done. So we are grateful for that. We just head back to the training pitch and come again for the next match on Tuesday.
Alright, speak to me particularly about your individual performance, being the man of the match today. How did you feel you performed in today's game?
Well, my game was good, you know, but there's certain areas I can work on more.
Alright, and you know, a late winner. How did you feel? What was going through your mind when you saw that ball pop up in front of you in the box?
Well, when I scored, it was a pure joy, pure joy.
Alright, and going forward, you know, you guys managed to get a point. Going forward, what will you guys take from today's win going into the next game on Tuesday, and how will that affect you guys going forward into the Manning Cup?
Well, you know, affecting us knowing that we'll have the lead going into the next match, so we have to be more comfortable, but yet still have to play more aggressive.
Once again, good game, Captain.
Alright, thank you.